Good evening, my name is Angie Quintero. I am 20 years old. I am from Bogota, but I live in Fresno, Tolima. I live with my husband and children. I am a student a bachelor's degree in child pedagogy. In my free time, I like to spend time with my children and my family, watch movies or rest. On my last vacation, I went for a walk with my grandparents in Guadas. My recipe is creole rice. Ingredients: 250 grams minced beef, 1 rib plantain, 100 grams sweet corn, 1 chorizo, half cup agao or tomato and spring onion sauce, 2 cup rice, 3 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground garlic, the garlic paste. Preparation: to start with, in one pot put the rice, water, oil, salt, cumin, garlic, and cook over medium high until it's dry. Second, peel and cut the plantains into medium pieces and saute with enough oil, remove and leave it to drain. After that, cut the chorizo into slices and fry them into oil, remove and leave it to dry. Meanwhile, in the same oil where the chorizo was cooked, fry the ground beef and the corn and add the tomato sauce or agao. Afterwards, in a large bowl, put 4 cups of prepared rice and add half remaining ingredients. At the end, mix and serve it hot. I invite you to come to Tolima and eat the delicious dish.